Uling na naman.
Sir, sarap ng chicken mo. Sarap niya, no? Guys, liempo.
Patikim na.
Sisig.
Sisig.
Yan po.
Sarap na.
Ito limpo.
May rice. Bird.
Panalo yung liempo.
Masok na lang sa...
Guys, naiwan natin yung Osmo natin. Nahanap ko pa. Buti na lang. Kids, GoPro found. Sorry, DG found. Okay, let's go back. Okay, our next stop is daan na tayo, kids. It's 133 kilometers away. We will arrive in 1 hour 17 minutes. Let's go! Kids, we're at Genora already. We're gonna stop by over soon. Malapit na. 1 kilometer left. We're here. Last time we went, this was closed. Okay na. Open ulit. Let's go, kids. Let's go, kids. Sir, ito na yung lunchtime, sir. Let's go, kids. Let's go. Welcome to Isdaan, kids! Ito na yung floating restaurant. So basically, ano siya, parang isa-isa siyang pwesto, like huts all around. Then you can walk and there are like a lot of bodies of water around. It makes it cooler. Let's go take for a walk lang while we're, mag-CR tayo. Last time we went here, closed lahat to. Sarado, walang tao. Buti they opened na ulit. Guys, may stairs. Dito ba? Oh, dito may Buddha dito. Yo, the sun is scorching hot. Uy, bro! We're in the top! Yo! Guys, laki pa ng pwesto. There. The CR is just over there. Kids, trabaho pa kami. Kailangan magtrabaho. Sarap ng chicken mo, sarap niya, no? Sarap ng chicken mo dyan, oh. Di ko manong namigay. Ako, nakatingin lang ako kanina pa sa'yo.
Pwede gumawa ka na lang. Gutom na eh.
Kailangan natin ng isang buong rice dito today. Hati ba tayo sa rice? Guys, liempo.
Patikim na.
Sisig.
Sisig.
Yan po.
Sarap na.
Ito limpo.
May rice. Bird.
Panalo yung liempo.
Masok na lang sa trip ta. Appreciate kung tanan ko. Uling na naman.
Okay kids, we're done. We're gonna go back na. We'll start the car lang kasi it's very hot. It's called the floating restaurant. Kita mo yung huts na yan. Those are the one that's floating. Yung sa amin doon, sementado. Our next destination is home na, kids. See you at home.
Sunny side of us. Hey, little mess, big love, that's us.